What's up, guys? I have pulled up to a cottage, a little block building out on a pond. It's actually really pretty. They do entertainment here, you know what I mean, like weddings and stuff like that, and they would have like, this would be the little small place, the little building, the little cottage where um, the bridesmaids and then get dressed and situated and rehearsals and all that kind of stuff for like weddings. I am here because I put this unit in about 5 years ago. It is a Hvac heat pump split. Half of it is out here, and you can see the other half is going up, so it's going to be up through this door where I'll be going to clean the drain out and all that sort of thing. So, and I got a nice little pond back here. It's really pretty. It's really pretty, y'all. Nice. But so I am here to do the maintenance today, and I will get into it when I get everything set up. I got to get a looks like I'm gonna have to get an 8-foot ladder to get up to the air handler. I gotta go in, change the filter, do all that routine stuff, y'all. I'll get back in another clip for y'all when I get everything set up. Alright, man. Oh, yeah, dirty. They do need to change their filter light instead of waiting on me to do it every 6 months. Come on, man. But when they get people who's got an agreement, maintenance agreement, they a lot of times they be lazy and they'll wait on you to do it. It ain't good for the electric bill, ain't good for the indoor motor. But that's what they do. That's what they do. See our thermostat here. I don't know if that's doing any justice because the light ain't that great in here. But right here is saying replace battery. Oh, look. Now it doesn't say that, but too late, buddy. I already seen the indicator. So we're going to go to this thermostat here, and we're going to replace these batteries. And okay, get the new batteries in there. Yeah, you can kind of see it there. Just for the fun of it, I'm going to cut it back in the off position for when I put it back up on the wall. Another little DIY and FYI, when y'all put these thermostats on, make sure you hinge them here and get it lined up, because if not, you have these pins on the back of the stat right here. They've got to go in there straight. If they don't go in there straight and you bend one of them, you're gonna play hell. Okay, and you don't want to play hell. So you just basically line it up here and here, and then you can put it on. Got it lined up. here and here, then you just push it in. Okay. Auto, let's go back to cool now. Let's make it call for air conditioning. And then our cool on, the words cool on, when it slowly blinks, it's timing around. So it's not staying on. So when it stays on, the words cool on, stay on, you'll actually hear a click and a relay inside of that thermostat, and then we should have some things happen. Okay. Alright guys, and one of the things I like to do on my maintenance, you know, especially when you're dealing with a potential liability, you got an air handler that's up in the attic, man. Hey, it makes water. You don't get that drain cleaned out properly, you got a liability on you and the company. So one of the things I always do, like I said, work smarter, not harder. That's my slogan, my logo, or whatever you want to say, because hey, your boy is by himself all the time. So I learned a few things, as most technicians are. Some technicians are fortunate enough to have helpers with them, but the ones that ain't, like me, are forced to learn things to save themselves a few steps and up and down the ladder and in and out and under the house and around and up and down. So one of the things I like to do when I go to clean drain line out is right here. Here's the end of the drain line. It's so simple, man. I just get, you know, a relatively clean cup. You know, you can see there's nothing in it, and let's wedge that cup under the drain line, because I want to see, guys, what comes out of that thing. I want to see what comes out. Alright, so now it's time to get up in here. Let's see if I can make it up here. Cut my light on. Oh yeah. Look at all the snow up here. Wow, it's Christmas time up here, right? Oh, here we go. Alrighty. There's our air handler. And here's our drain line. So our install guy, I think it's pretty cool. Puts 2 T's in it. 1 T here for a clean out, you know, remove this piece. And then on the other T, we got like a vent, so it really helps it to drain. Especially when people let them get clogged up like that. Really clogged up. There we go. Get a good picture for y'all. So what I'll do is I'll take this one out and look down and, oh yeah, look at that, buddy. Water just standing at the top of it. Really stopped up. So I'll take this, remove that. We'll put the plug in here, and I'll put my faithful old drain cat. I'm going to put it down here. Okay. Sorry about the lighting, guys. All I got is my headlight. There's no light up here. Okay. Alright guys, so we're gonna go down and we're gonna see what all kind of garbage we got out of that trap and out of the drain line. But before I do go down, guys, I just want y'all to see this. Look how clean that is. Good Lord. Clean as a whistle down in there. Alright, and that's the clean out for the trap, as you can see. And then this is the vent. Wow. Clean as a whistle. Okay guys, back out here at my condenser. I wanted to see what kind of lovely stuff I got out of the drain. Let's go over here where I can really illustrate, and I can also see myself. I'm gonna pour it. Let's see what kind of garbage we had come out of there. Oh yeah, bunch of nastiness right there. Yes sir. Yep. So that's the reason why I put my little cup under the drain line. And you know, not all drain lines are that close to the ground where you can just put a cup under there and wedge it under there and make it work. So I don't know if y'all can see in my cup, like right here. Yeah, you know what that is. Y'all know what that is? It's duct tape. So I've used my cup where they come out. They might be 2 or 3 feet sometimes from the ground, and I'll just tape it to the line set, or not line set, I'm sorry. I tape it to the condensate drain line. And so I can see what's coming out of that thing. You know, as a technician, you need to know these things so you can know for your own self that you got that drain line cleaned out. Alright guys, that's it for this maintenance video. I didn't show the whole maintenance because I didn't want to drag the video out too long, but in my other previous videos I've pretty much showed all the things that I do on a maintenance. But alright guys, if I provided y'all with value and something y'all can take out and use, it's useful in the work field, I would appreciate y'all liking and subscribing. In the comments below, comment I subscribed, and I will reply back to your comment. Alright guys, work smarter, not harder, and also be safe out there. Alright guys.